12th of January 2023. This is Mannerheimintie and Mannerheimikan 142. And it's here in Meilahti, Helsinki, Helsingborg, Suusimaja, Finland. You can these three versions of the diagrams, so somebody put this one upside down.
Yeah.
Built by Kone originally also. A beautiful brass handle, and these edges are beautiful.
Yeah.
They're brass also. It was built in 1942 originally. It turned 80 years old in the last year, 2022, and the number is H3462. But this was, as it was modernized in 2006, probably the beginning of 2006 with Kone was. The number is H3462. So it's another late Kone.
Yeah.
Will be inspected this year in 2023. It was actually turned 15 years old in 2021. But this is also not the one where it doesn't say the year.
Yeah. For sure.
Yeah. But also very, very interesting.
Yeah.
So rights.
Yeah.
The buttons don't beep.
Yeah. Strange. No one caught it.
No. That's weird. But also they could have chosen evergreen buttons, but they chose Kone, but still beautiful.
Yeah, but these are better than Iverchu.
Yeah,
Because, yeah, rare from 2006.
yeah, this is rare in
Yeah.
from 2006.
Yeah. Expected package that maintained by Kone.
With this evergreen style frames.
Yeah.
It is rare, like
Yeah.
evergreen is more common like that.
Yeah.
That is like in 1995 at the beginning, or before evergreen like did that.
Yeah.
Or I've seen 1991 even in Uvalin
Yeah.
earliest. What I've seen so far.
Yeah.
That's it. It's also possible to call the gate with the whole.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's